The dome light in the 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe is situated in the headliner, usually near the center of the vehicle's interior. To access the bulb, gently pry off the plastic lens cover. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the surrounding plastic. Insert the tool into the small notch or gap in the lens cover and carefully apply pressure until the lens pops off. Be mindful of the clips holding the lens in place. Avoid excessive force to prevent breakage. With the lens removed, you'll see the bulb socket. The 2019-2020 Santa Fe dome light typically uses a 12-volt wedge-base bulb, such as a 994. To remove the old bulb, gently depress it and twist if it's a twist lock type, or simply pull it straight out if it's a friction fit type. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's correctly oriented in the socket. Test the light by pressing the dome light button or opening a door. If it doesn't light up, double-check the bulb's orientation and ensure it's fully seated in the socket. Reattach the lens cover by aligning it with the housing and gently pressing until the clips snap back into place.